Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Mopar Roadside Assistance Kit. It includes everything you need for minor roadside emergencies. Now in this kit you will receive a black felt emergency blanket that could come in handy for a number of uses, a combination LED beacon, flashlight, as well as window breaker and seatbelt cutter with a pair of fresh batteries for that. You'll get a few hand tools here, a pair of screwdrivers, pliers, and a roll of electrical tape. You'll also get a set of bungee cords here and a pair of gloves featuring rubber grippers on the palm surface. There's also a collapsible reflective roadside triangle to alert other drivers of your presence, and you'll get a set of booster cables. And best of all, it will all pack neatly into a canvas duffel bag here featuring the Mopar logo so that you can store it away safely in your vehicle, ready for when you need it. Now, if you guys want to get more information or purchase a Mopar Roadside Assistance Kit, you can click on that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest Jeep Wrangler JL product reviews. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.